So here you can see my blog that has a list of all the spreadsheets that you can download. I'm going to grab one that has only a little bit of information to show you this example. So I'm going to grab this sheet. You click it. It's a zip file. You open the zip file. You extract the spreadsheet from the zip file. You enable editing. You enable the content. I think this should run now. So I'm going to rerun this. It deletes all the files, and then it extracts information. You don't want to change files when you're doing this, because if you do, it'll mess up the data. So just stay in the compare spreadsheet. So once this is done, which should be, that should be the last one, you'll see that you have all the high-level financial information from the balance sheet, the income statement, statement of comprehensive income, the cash flow statement, and key financial ratios. You also see all this validation information. You can see that everything is green, which means there are no errors in the data. And then there's a link to the file and a link to some other information. So one thing that you can do is, if you go in this list and you add a row, then what happens is only these four will be extracted. Don't delete stuff from this spreadsheet. So there you go, you have four that were extracted. So now what's interesting, I'm going to close this. I'm not going to save it. I'll close this. And I'm going to go and grab this zip file that has about 9 companies, and I'm going to grab Apple. Again, enable editing, enable content, and you have to turn a setting on that lets you run macros. So here's all the Apple information. So I'm going to re-import that. It deletes it all. So basically what I'm doing is, rather than comparing across different entities, I'm looking at the report, each report of an individual company, a period comparison. So and there you have the comparison information for Apple. So what's interesting here is that Apple's assets grew from 53 million or billion to 375 billion between 2009 and 2017. So anyway, I will leave it at that.